Morning everybody, Josh Ezell, Breakthrough Real Estate and Property Management. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Guess what? Spring is here. It's our season. It's our time to make some money. Woohoo! Are you doing all you can to take advantage of this market? Today's tidbit are several tricks to make sure you can. So spring is here. It's when all the buyers come out and all the sellers are ready to finally make their move. So here are 3 things that you should be making sure to do to ensure you are maximizing your peak season. Number 1, are all of your follow-ups and all your means of follow-ups in place? In other words, are all your email drip campaigns happening? Are all your autoresponders, text messages? Are you calling back everybody? Right now, I know a lot of people are probably getting so many phone calls that you're actually not calling everybody back, even when they're calling you. Let's make sure we're putting in that extra time. I know the days may seem long, but it's worthwhile. That leads me to number 2, hold your schedule. If anything, put in an extra day, because come summer, come when the weather cools off, if you're in Arizona where we are, once the weather gets over 100 degrees, we die. In most other places, you guys are good until it starts cooling off. So let's take advantage of this time period. It does not last forever. In most places, home values are basically as high or higher than they've ever been. This is a historic market, everybody. Let's put in the extra work. Just remember, we're preparing for rainy day 2, so that leads me to number 3, which is start saving your money. Anything that you have extra, if you have an extra closing, save it. Do not spend it. These times are wonderful, but they are not going to last forever. So make sure you're keeping your rainy day fund. Ideally, 3 months to 6 months. If you can save up to a year, that's amazing. But no less than 3 months. Ideally, a great agent should have 6 months worth of savings just in case. To have that stress off your back, to know you're covered no matter what. Believe it or not, that will actually allow you to do that much more work and actually not have commission breath. It's a wonderful position to be. So let's go ahead and make sure we're following up with everybody, hold to your schedule, and make sure you are saving for that rainy day. Have an awesome week, guys. Talk to you later. Today's tidbit are several tricks, so to make sure